Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Realme Narzo 50A Prime. So in order to do that, we'll need to start searching for an app on our Google Play Store and write Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button and then select this app. Now press install. And after our installation process will be complete, we can open the app. And here we can customize it. So you can log in, add account to synchronize other Microsoft Edge browsers if you want. I'm not gonna do that, sign in later. Here you can accept to share your data and preferences. I'm not gonna do that, so let's confirm that. And here you can set the Microsoft Edge as your default browser. So let's do it. Pick the Edge and then always. After that, your Microsoft Edge will be default browser, and here you can enter any website, which should load properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.